perfect fishing weather, dude. I feel like I'm gonna catch a giant today.
Yeah, it's different.
Today is my day.
Today is different.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Nick the Piker. We got about 2 days left for me to find the giant. The weather conditions changed today. It's overcast and breezy all day. This should turn on the giants, I'm hoping. But no matter what, I'm gonna work for them and see if I can find that biggie. Stick with me, stay tuned, and let's get him. All right, we're by the dam. I'm gonna try what worked for me yesterday to catch a walleye in cover ground. It's got some color. We're gonna start with this bad boy, hunk of metal I can cast far. See what happens. I got one in the current. I don't know what it is. It's hard to tell how big he is because the current is so swift. I bet you it's a little pike. It's hard to tell though. It's really hard to tell. He's pulling. There's lots of pull. Could be a big one that doesn't even know he's caught. Dude, it might be a hefty fish, dude. Look at my rod. Oh!
Good one?
Get off!
Oh, yo. Did you see him?
No. That's the downside, man. This thing has small hooks.
Yeah.
I really gotta not horse them.
Yeah.
That felt like a good fish, though, dude. It felt like a good fish. There we go. What is it? Damn, bro.
Got off. You had a hit though?
Eh. Felt little head shakes too. Oh, come on, man. Damn it. Oh, there we go. Oh, damn it. Come on, keep following. If I lose one more fish because of this hook, I'm changing the freaking hook, dude. Seriously. I feel like it's fouled up now. Oh, I feel something. Something swiping at it. Oh, you felt something too. Did you feel it?
What?
Did you feel it? Little swamp ass fart.
No, that's not swamp ass at all, dude.
That fart just.
That's clear sailing.
That fart was air dry.
Clear sailing.
You just air dried your butt.
That is clear sailing. I'm empty, dude.
All right, I've hooked 4 fish since we hit the dam and lost all 4 because of my hook. I threw a bigger single hook on this lure. Now, let's catch the first fish of the day, huh? Actually, I haven't bought slip weights for so long. It's just fucking, you just punished yourself. Glad though. Oh, dude, how am I smelling it when the wind's blowing that way? Dude, how dense was that? The particles were close together. Almost close enough where you could see the vapor. How the hell did I smell that when the wind is blowing that way? What the? God, linger.
Viscosity to it.
Yeah. I'm totally upwind of you and I caught a whiff. Oh, there we go. The new hook worked.
Right.
It's small. Whatever it is a small fish.
It's all right.
It might be a small E, actually. He's jumping.
It might be. Coming to the top.
Oh, see how he's bouncing?
Yeah.
Oh, and he got free. Dude, I wonder if those are whitefish. Because Stevie says they keep getting loose on you. I mean, seriously, I wasn't horsing him, but he was doing like these. Do you see my rod? Like, I would catch a whitefish. I've never caught a whitefish before. All right, we switched spots. I'm gonna switch lures. Let's see if the big boy is back here and wants to eat. Got one. It's a little guy.
It's all right.
But it shows the pike are starting to get a little active over here. There you go. It's an easy way to get rid of them. Line flipped over the barrels. So we just switched to this side. Oh, I just had something. Felt like something. Come on. Oh, there we go. Got him on the figure eight. Oh. Alright, we're going to attack the shore, see what's in store. I'm going to start small. Last time I started big. This time I'm going to start with a smaller bait, because it seems like the bigger fish are not eating big baits right now. So Maybe this will get me one. And I'm gonna try a big bait anyways, because I just refuse to accept the fact that I'm not seeing them. There we go. I got one. Just a snake. I mean, damn. Greedy little pike, dude. Alright, well. The little pike will bite it. Is there a big one around that wants to eat? And they look like big fish traps, man. And they're doing what they do at Salt Creek, taking them and throwing them back in the lake.
Probably.
It's their way of stocking.
Yeah. Catch all the big fucking fish and put them over there. Dude, that could fucking affect the population.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Big fish. Big fish. Finally. Finally a big fish. I saw him grab the lure and everything, dude. I'm glad I switched. I'm glad I switched because he's a beast, dude.
Don't horse him.
I'm not. He's just walking us around the boat right now. Alright. Had technical difficulties. My camera shut off, but I got it back on. And he is. God. Yes, dude. Ah, that's what we were waiting for.
Him, we haven't got him yet.
I knew it was gonna happen.
Don't have him yet.
I know.
Keep him out of the prop.
Oh, that's a big fish, dude. Got him right.
In the net.
He's in the net.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Holy shit. My God.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah. Yahoo.
Monster.
All right, chill, bro. Chill. Get this lure out of here.
Man. We got time. We ain't going nowhere now.
What an adrenaline rush. I saw him grab it, dude. That was awesome. Dude, that was so awesome. Battle all week. Battle all week for a beast. Battle all week for a beast. Dude, that's a beast.
Oh, he is.
Let's measure him real quick. Oh, my legs are shaking. He's not gonna fit on the block. Yeah, he is. Right there. 36.
36.
Can you grab a picture with my phone real quick?
Here, let me get one with mine.
Let's get him back. Let's get him back in the water. It weighs a lot. What a beast.
It's wifey.
It's alright. He swam off, dude. That was awesome. That was awesome.
That was all we needed. That made it, dude.
Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Yes, dude. That was amazing. Dude, that fish walked all the way around the boat and then jumped.
It was an exciting catch, dude.
Dude, he jumped.
Exciting. That was a big, healthy.
Having a 36-incher jump like that, completely out of the water, and I caught it on camera. That's awesome, dude.
I thought he was gone after that jump. I thought he took it.
Not with the hooks on that bad boy, dude. That lure has big old gnarly hooks on it. That was a lot of work for a 36-inch northern. He was huge as far as his girth went, but not the longest fish I've ever caught, but still, that was the beast of the trip so far. Took a lot of work to get him. Hopefully there's more in the future. Hope you all enjoyed that video. That was quite a first session for me. Let's see what happens later today in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.